The steps in training involve the methods of desensitizing the dog to the situation and the objects that might be scary or fear-eliciting, and then counter-conditioning, or training the dog to associate the situation with something positive.
This video will help teach you how to train your dog to let you work in its mouth. This training has good benefits for their health. Many dogs suffer from gingivitis or periodontal disease, which are painful conditions that can lead to tooth loss. Daily brushing can help prevent these diseases. Dogs are also susceptible to fractured teeth, tooth root abscesses, and oral tumors. Veterinarians need to be able to look in your dog's mouth to diagnose these diseases early. If your dog lets the veterinarian inspect the whole mouth without sedation, many diseases can be caught and treated at an early stage. First, we will show the dog the toothpaste and toothbrush. This will become a signal that we want to work with the mouth and that treats are on their way. Putting a treat on the toothbrush and letting him lick it off will help desensitize and counter-condition the toothbrush. Next, we can show the dog that the toothpaste is its own treat. We use chicken-flavored toothpaste for dogs. Do not use any fluoride-based human toothpastes as they are toxic to dogs. Animal toothpaste can be purchased at your veterinarian or at your local pet store. When the dog is relaxed, we can bring the toothbrush to the face while giving the dog treats. The dog should get used to the toothbrush on his lips. You can use verbal praise during training, like we are demonstrating with this dog, when you are not able to give a treat simultaneously. We can begin to place our fingers on his mouth while continuing to give him treats. Now that the dog is used to our fingers on the mouth, we can practice lifting the lips up to examine the cheek teeth and putting our fingers inside his lips. It is important to keep your fingers out of the mouth and only inside of his cheek so as not to get bitten. Do not attempt this training exercise if your dog is aggressive towards food. When the dog is used to us lifting his lips, we can then teach the dog to open his mouth. Lift open his mouth and place a treat on his tongue. Gradually lengthen the time his mouth is open to simulate a veterinary oral inspection. Once he is comfortable with these steps, we can start to introduce the toothbrush into the mouth. Begin brushing with a treat on the toothbrush, then progress to using toothpaste. It is most important to brush the outside surface of the teeth. Gentle pressure on the gum line and slow strokes are all that you need. Pay close attention to the dog's body language. If he begins to seem uncomfortable or turns away, stop brushing his teeth. Wait until he is relaxed to begin brushing again. Start by brushing the easy-to-expose front cheek teeth, then move to the back cheek teeth. After the dog is comfortable with brushing all of the cheek teeth, brush the front teeth. Practicing this training will help make teeth brushing and veterinary oral exams fun for you and your dog.